This is a Moki 61 LS. It's running 0% nitro and an APC 11.9 prop. Don't know if you can see that. Got 12,600. Auto's great. It's a Jett muffler that I've been messing around with, and I just put it on this rear exhaust to see what it would do. But just to let you know, man, this is excellent motor. It kind of started hard because I didn't have the exhaust open enough anyway, but it ran. As you can see, it idles, transitions, everything great. Just running on muffler pressure off of that Jett. But I'll see if I can get this posted. Remember, that's a 11.9. Here's some figures that I got using that muffler. Guys, have a good one.